Guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we're in Darlington. I found a hidden gem here in Darlington. It's called Zinga fried. This place was supposed to be a nice place for chicken burgers. It's quite popular chicken burgers here, so I thought to myself, you know what, we're gonna go down. We're gonna try this chicken burger out. So let's go inside and let's take a look at Zinga fried chicken. So here's all your menus here, guys. So look at this. You got a variety of food to choose from, and you got your own sauces here. So you on your salt, and you can just put that all the sauces in yourself, and sauce. And there's all your salad here, guys. You can choose any salad what you like, and you got your tub sauces as well for takeouts. Guys, look at this. We got our meal here. So we got doner kebab. We also got chicken burger, and we got some chips. That looks really nice. So we got our sauces here with the kind of drinks. We're gonna put our own sauces on. We also got a peri peri salt here as well. We can add some peri peri salt on that. We also gonna add some sauces on. We also going to add some garlic on that. Look at that garlic. Oh look, amazing is that. And finally, we're gonna add some chili sauce on that, all over that. And it really looks really good. That burger. It's a big, thick chicken. And let's give this a taste. Wow, that was absolutely amazing. The chicken is well cooked. It's nice and soft. Just like I say, the chicken is very salty though. Overall, it's really nice and spicy. I like my chicken burgers spicy, so that's great. And the bread bun is nice and soft as well. Right, let's reduce the salt a bit. We got our chips here as well. Look at that chili and garlic on the chips. Let's give this a taste. Chips are good potato content in them. It's nice and crunchy. It's overall really nice chips. It's really good. Let's wash it down with the can of Sprite. Let's give the doner meat a taste. Look at the doner meat. Doner meat is really good. Plenty of flavours coming out of that doner meat. It's nice and chewy, and it's amazing. Guys, so we just finished our meal there, and I must say this was absolutely incredible. Really enjoyable. I've enjoyed the food here. Customer service has been amazing as well. Lads behind the counter, very nice and kind, and good service overall. And I would recommend you guys coming to Zinga Fried Chicken in Darlington. Try the food out. I'm sure you will enjoy the food as well, just like we have today. Finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoy it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.